Good day, learners at home. My name is Teacher Dairo Elizabeth from Wisdom International School of Excellence. I'm here to take Basic 2 English Studies. Topic: Animals and Sound. Teaching aid, picture charts on different types of animals. Specific objectives. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to define sound, define animal, list some animals and their sound. What is sound? Sound is a vibration that travels through the air or another medium which can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. We can also say that sound is a means of communication. What is animal? An animal is a living creature such as dog, lion, cow, rabbit, etc. Example for some animals and their sound. Different animals sound differently. They are cow. Cow sound as moons. Deer, bells. You can see the picture chart of this animal. Dog, barks. Elephant, trumpets. Frog, croaks. Lion, roars. Bird, whistle. Snake, hiss. Rooster, crows. Goats, bleats. Sheep, bleats. Let's take that again. Cow, moons. Deer, bears. Dog, barks. Elephant, trumpets. Frog, croaks. Lion, roars. Bird, whistle. Snake, hiss. Rooster, crows. Goat is what? Bleats. Sheep is what? Bleats. Now let's do this one together. What sound are made by the following animals? Frog is what? Croaks. Lamb, bleats. Lion is what? Roar. Goat is bleats. Learner, in your own understanding, what is animal? What is sound? Yes. I would like you to do this one for me as your assignment. What sounds are made by the following animals? Number 1 is cow. 2 is deer. 3 is dog. 4 is elephant. Sheep is 5. Number 6 is snake. Thank you.